Hi and welcome back to a new art journaling video. Today I'm playing with the Derwent watercolors. They normally don't come with this box, but I saw this box from EasyGo on Amazon a while ago and I purchased it to take it for traveling because I thought I could pull in my own half pans with higher quality watercolors, but that didn't work because the half pans are slightly smaller. And then I found this Derwent palettes. There are two of them and they are exactly the same size as this bigger box, and I got both of them in my online craft store and put them into the big box. They are the same as the Derwent Inktense Blocks. So if you don't have the watercolors and you have the Inktense blocks, you can just use those as a watercolor palette. The difference between normal watercolors and the Derwent Inktense watercolors is that these are permanent when they are dry. It's more an ink than a watercolor, and that's a property I really like because you can layer them better than watercolors, especially in mixed media. I'm starting on a pre-wetted page and I just add the colors intuitively. And now I'm going in with the Inktense blocks and scribble them onto my page. Again, I'm playing totally intuitively and I'm picking the colors that speak to me, and yes, it's nothing about the final result, it's just playing and just having fun. When I'm done with that, I'm going in with my wet brush and blend the colors, and you will always have a little bit of that line you've made with the blocks, and that creates some interest on the background. After my background has completely dried, I go in with some background stamping. I'm using stamps from Inktense. I have linked every set I've used in my description box. There's a sale on the Inktense website this weekend where all big stamp sets are 15% off, and you will also get worldwide free shipping on orders over 80 euros. So maybe you like to check that out. I'm using archival inks to stamp the background images. To create even more interest on the background, I'm going in with my Koh-i-Noir magical pencils. I couldn't resist when I saw them on Amazon and I had to try them out. They have 3 different colors in one, and it's really fun to play with them. Of course, this isn't a must-have product, but it's really nice, and probably also for kids it's a nice set of pencils. By the way, you will find all my Amazon pics in the description box. I have a link to my storefront there. Now I'm at the point where I think about the final result, and I felt that I need a little bit more red, and so I'm adding some red spots on my page. I also add some color splatters because that always makes a page look even more vibrant. I cut out some words from the Mixer Sentiment stamp set. I believe it was the set number 2, and I just stamped them to white paper in black, and it says paint outside the lines. But before I add this to my page, I wanted to use my Sennelier oil pastels, and these are the metallic ones. I have them here for about 2 years and I rarely use them, so I decided today I will give them a try again. I just add some shimmery spots to my page and blend it in with my finger. I have a big box with my stamped images or leftover pieces that I haven't used so far, and now I'm searching for a main image for this page. This is something I almost do every time. I never think about the main image when I start working on a page. I decide that when I'm done with the background. This time I decided to pick one of our doodle flowers. It's already colored in with watercolors, and I use a simple glue stick to stick it down. I also use the glue stick to stick down my words. To make the birds and also the flowers pop out more from the background, but be also more integrated to the page, I use the black paint from the Derwent Watercolors and create a shadow. Here is the finished page. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope we see us next time. Bye!